Good day, viewers, and welcome to Chima, Marta Spiritual Tips. My name is Brother Chima, Marta, and I am a spiritualist. And I have come with another power part information that when I release it, the devil will be running. Helter skelter. And on today's spiritual tips, is all about how you can get your lost love within 24 hours with candle spell. And what color of candle spell are we going to use? We are going to use the red candle for this particular spell. For those of you who are watching me on here and for those of you who are going to watch me later, I need to jot some things out in order to follow it according to the way it is, for us not to make a mistake. Because this particular recipe, if you do it the way I instruct you here, be rest assured that your lost love is going to come back to you. Or if you are here looking for a divorce, you don't want that man anymore, you don't want that relationship anymore, if you do this particular recipe, that thing bothering you, you are going to be relieved from it. As we all know, candle are used because they symbolize light in darkness of life. Yes. According to witchcraft, lighting up a candle can remove your negativities and draw all good things. Love, fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, and so on and so forth, ahead towards your future. Yes, if you are here, watching me on here, and you have lost somebody that is very important to you, maybe you missed contact with him or her, or all of a sudden something will happen and you guys are no longer communicating with each other. People who used to render you assistance are no longer there. This recipe is for you. Make sure that you watch this particular video to the end so that you will understand how you can bring your loved ones that you have lost within 24 hours or 4 days with just a stick of red candle, as red candles symbolize love. Don't touch that dial. If you are just joining us for the very first time on this channel, my name is Brother Chima, Prince Marta, and I am the bonafide founder of Chima Marta Spiritual Tips, where we treat all kinds of spiritual problems and we help people cure all kinds of spiritual diseases that they have been carrying for years. And on this particular channel, we have our product to sell. Our spiritual product that are fully charged by me, that people have been buying and they have been testifying on how good my product has been. If you are here, you have been struggling with life issues, we have the road opening soap for sale. We have our back to sender soap for sale. We have crowd pulling soap for those of you who are traders, who are businessmen and women, those of you who are looking for people to patronize them, who are looking for contracts, who are looking for supplies. We also have the success soap, love and attraction soap. If there has been a lot of hatred in your life lately, and we have the Igila powder and the Equobo plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. If you have eaten something in the dream or you have moving objects in your body or your body system normally change, no matter your location, no matter wherever you are. Are you in Europe? Are you in Asia? Are you in America? Are you in South America? Are you in Africa? Just feel free to contact us. If you ever need our help, my number is on the screen. My number is +2347088136610. That is my cell phone number. Feel free to contact me on WhatsApp. And if you have never subscribed to this channel yet, if you are just joining us for the very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all, so that when I post a video like this, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my videos and comment on the comment section. And as you do so, may God and the universe bless you. Like as I was saying, concerning how you are going to do candle spell to bring back your loved ones that you have lost within 24 hours. Before casting your bring back spell, you must first set your mind and organize space where you will perform this spell in your home. You will organize a space, a place that you can put the candle that will allow you to walk around of it 7 times. Because when you put this candle, you are going to create a circle. Yes, you draw a circle with a salt, cooking salt or sea salt. You use it to draw a circle. Then you place the candle at the middle of the circle. And what is next for you to do? You go around there, around the candle. You will be going around the candle. You go around the candle. You go around the candle. As you are going around the candle, you are praying and calling the name of that person you have lost. And call the name for that person to come back to you. Then after going around the candle for 7 times, you go inside circle that you draw and hold the candle with your 2 hands. Begin to visualize how you want your relationship to be. Begin to visualize how you want your lost love to reunite with you. Now, after you have done that, get ready to cast your spell. You have to continue holding the candle and be speaking positive thoughts in your mind. Love will be in your heart. But after speaking positive thoughts, you need to use the honey to anoint the candle, starting from the head to the middle. From the head to the middle, you will be anointing the candle from the head to the middle. Give me a second. Let me use the honey and rub on the candle. And you are concentrating, making your incantation. Rub the honey to the candle from the head to the middle. Don't rub the honey from the bottom to the head. Just from the head of the candle to the middle. You rub it, you rub it. As you are rubbing it, you are meditating. You are anointing it, pulling it down to the middle. Pulling it down to the middle. After you are done with this, place it at the circle that you are inside. Focus on your intention, on your desire. What your focus on determine if you are going to bring something to you. What you focus on determine if the universe is going to bring something to you or sending it away from you. And you are going to watch this candle burn for a period of time. After you have said your intention on how you want your lost love to come back to you. You focus, you say your desire, what you focus, whatsoever you say to the universe is what the universe is going to bring to you. Then after saying it, you leave the candle in the circle and you light it. As you light the candle, you allow the candle to burn for a period of time to extinguish again. After extinguishing, say out a conclusion enchantment. A conclusion enchantment after the candle has burned down. You say on a conclusion. After saying your enchantment, after concluding your prayer, you need to be patient. But if you cast this spell with the right procedure, the way I have teach you on here, believe me, you will get your love back. However, you may need quick result with the help of a practitioner or an experienced witch doctor like me. If you do this and you didn't get your love back within 24 hours, that means you need my help. You have to contact me. My phone number is already on the screen. Yes, +234 7088 136610. That is my phone number. I am telling you, it depends on your faith. If you do this particular recipe the way I have instructed you on here, what you need is patience, because you have cast the spell to that individual. But if it doesn't work in your own terms, feel free to contact me. I will do it and it will work. You can also do this multiple times. Yes, you can do it for 4 times, 4 days in a row, and you are going to see wonders. I have come to the end of this love spell spiritual tips. If there is something you don't understand I say on here, like I normally say, feel free to contact me. Ask me questions. And if you have never subscribed to this channel yet, do me a favor by pressing the red button down below this video. On your right hand side, turn the notification bell to all so that when I post a video, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up, which is my like, and comment on the comment section. Feel free to contact me if you need me to do any spiritual work for you, because it works perfectly. Thank you for watching me. I have come to the end of this video, and I will be here next time. Bring in your suggestion. Whatsoever you want me to do, just say it on the comment section, and I will put it on here for you. God bless you.